Deploying an enterprise-ready, scalable, high-performance AI model is really not an easy task. There's a lot that goes into it. You have inference engines and monitoring and health checks and quantization and API management and so on. There's a lot that goes into this deployment. So NVIDIA solved this complexity by creating NVIDIA Inference microservices, or NIM for short. So really NIM is a very vast world of LLM optimization. And you can think of NIM, to put it shortly, as a Docker container that has everything you need to run an optimized AI model at scale. So like I mentioned, all of the amazing features that are baked into NIM really help it become an enterprise-ready deployment that you can run on a variety of platforms. So specifically when we're thinking about Azure, right, what does that mean? Well, on Azure, we have the N-series VMs, which are going to have, let's say, A100 GPUs, H100 GPUs that are high performance GPUs capable of running very large models. You can also deploy on Azure Machine Learning, AML, Azure AI Foundry, or what we're seeing today, Azure Container Apps, and also Azure Kubernetes Service. So there's a ton of different ways that you can use these NIMs and deploy them and consume them. And it's just a very flexible platform overall.